D21. Now we've got Gary Hopperton from Dry Ridge, Kentucky on that ACD21. Ferguson from Rantoul, Illinois.
Richmond with a D21. Rantoul is hooked over there in our 6 plow open on the mean greens transfer.
24.532s on the back of that little D21, big D21 now.
Yeah, that was probably one of them construction ones that came across there to have that much flotation there. Christian hooked in here in front of the mean green weight transfer device. As right now we got a D21 in the lead at 2:30 and some change here in our 6 plow open class. Due to pull off vehicles to the 4 plow side, pull off vehicles to 4 plow side. We're looking for a pull-off vehicle. There we go. Looks like we got one coming now. Got the obligatory underbrella on there to sunshade us here today. All right, as Kurt Simmons gives us the green flag here. Brian Bergeson. Boy, with all that rubber on that 220, it sure does look like a whole lot more tractor, doesn't it?
It just makes them things look so huge and heavy. It just looks like if I had that big box on the hood there like John Lancaster had years ago.
Oh, the real estate gives up on him there. Brian Bergeson, AC2.
286 feet even, 286 even for Darrell Greer on that 620. Mike Potter from Oakwood, Ohio on a John Deere 70. There he is.
Oh, there we go, that big 4620 hugging over there on the Cambria, Missouri. This is a 1208 Russell. I'm sure this would have been a prototype of some sort.
Or a shop.
Right, there you go. Something Kinsey would have thought of for somebody, I'm sure. That's a nice paint on it, I do like the looks of it. Very pretty tractor. Potomac, the 5020, got the engine upgrade there, I believe.
Up next.
All right, here we go. go, the big 830 out of Payne, Ohio, driven by Dale Young. Also, attention in the pit area, attention in the pit area. IPA competitors, or any competitors for that matter, who haven't signed up for their classes, we need you over here at the south end underneath the red and white tent down there by the starting line. Need you to get signed up for your classes. That's an auxiliary show that's coming in here after we get done with the plow class is going to be starting pretty quick. So if you haven't signed up for your classes, we need you to do so as soon as possible. All right, 830 deer out of Payne, Ohio. We got her locked in tight. Oh yeah, the big tall stack. Make sure none of that smoke blows right back into the operator's face. Got a hold of it there, Russell.
We found a new track.
Year in advance. All right, here we go. Rodney Horton out of Tecumseh, Michigan.
.246.2, 246.2 for Steve Blackford on that 730 diesel. Dean Pyatt from Armstrong on his 730. And then Ken Geckner from Altamont on his 720.
I got Rodney Horton out of Michigan here with his 50-20 deer. 20.
307 feet, 4 inches, 307.4 for Dwayne Moore on Dean Pyatt, 730. Ken Geckner, 720, Nick.
As I got Jeff Blackford there in the 4320, we got him snatched up there. Oh, that breeze coming through, well, it's almost like the air conditioning got turned on there for a minute. Nathan Elliott out of Potomac on his other entry here in 6th Plow Open. There we go, big 903 Cummins in the 60-30 chassis. I think anytime you do a repower like that, Russell, it's probably a federal law to put chrome pipes on it like that. Oh, that brute strength and awkwardness works right down into the thick of things. 430 seatbelt from here, Russell. There we go, the big 806. a big Chalmer.
And Gary Dilly on the D19 went 306 points.
Man, the real estate just couldn't handle all that power.
That'll weight it up. I forgot. That's a lot of work. Getting barrels of cannabis.
319 feet, 4 inches. 319.4, John LaPorte. Cliff Bragg, Upland, Indiana. Then Nick Pierce from Marshall, Michigan on a John Deere 730.
And Gary Rubrick out of South Whitley on his 70 model Deere in the 6-plow open class.
Big bucket.
And they have being a light tractor, he'll stay up on top there, won't dig in nearly as, oh, nope, I was wrong. You can always think of the theories, Russell.